Does your caulking look like this? If so, we need to talk. When the caulking around your sinks, shower, or tub quits doing its job, then water is able to get behind these surfaces, and you can find yourself with severe water damage or mold growth. In case you haven't heard, that's bad. But how do you assess whether your caulking is doing its job or not? Here's 3 signs that it's time for a makeover. Is it cracking or pulling away from the surfaces? Can you see mold or mildew? Is it 5 years or older? If you said yes to any of those, then block out an hour or so this weekend. We've got a project to do. But before we get started, what are you gonna need to get the job done right? Here's what: a scraper tool, painter's tape, caulk, and a finishing tool. First, you're gonna use your scraper to dig out the old caulk. Once you've got that cleared out, you're going to line the edges with painter's tape. Place about 1/4 inch from each side. Cut off the tip of the caulk and puncture the seal. Now apply caulk to your edges. Feather as you work your way down the line. Then remove excess caulk with a finishing tool. Remove the tape immediately while the caulk is still wet and let sit and dry for 24 hours. And that's pretty much it. The final step is to watch this video again in 5 years and do the whole thing again. Does your caulking look like this? If so, we need to talk. So protect life's biggest investment with this quick project, and we'll see you again in 5 years. And remember, for all of your home inspection needs, give Diamond Head Home Inspections a call at 808-228-7478 or visit our website at diamondheadhomeinspections.com. We'll see you there.